Yeah, I don't even have my recorder anymore. I
No.
can't find it. Like, I can't find.
Why? Don't laugh at me.
I'm laughing at you.
How dare you?
Oh man.
Oh gosh. I think they're gone.
Are they gone?
Yeah, I think they're gone.
Right when I start recording. Ridiculous.
Uh, why do hiccups exist?
They're there to torment you.
Uh, Ow, my neck.
You okay?
I just snapped my neck in half. I need to go to
Okay. Well, I guess I should stop recording then.
Did you actually record that?
No.
Okay. Wait, what? Should I don't know if I should believe you or not.
Yeah, no, I didn't. I seriously don't have my recorder thingy.
Sure.
Yeah.
Are you
Mm,
really sure?
yes. What the hell? Dang it. We can't place lava.
Oh, you can't?
No. Yeah, we can't.
What are you trying to do, though?
Um, decoration.
Shut up!
Huh. Ah.
Almost at level 20.
Yay.
Okay, how long are these gonna last?
Level 20 hiccups.
Who's Annie? Oh,
I don't know. This server sucks. Like, they yell a lot.
and swear a lot.
Yes.
I mean, they could keep their swearing to just speaking. They don't have to type it out.
Yeah.
I'm getting an ab workout from this, hiccups. About
Oh, a
ow.
hiccup ab workout. Nice.
Okay, I think they quieted down. What did you do?
Nothing.
What did you do?
I actually exploded our entrance to the base.
How do you explode our entrance?
There was creepers at the top.
Oh, I thought you meant the underwater entrance.
Oh no. Oh, I have zombie meat. Yeah. Are you done hiccuping?
No, it's just quieted down now.
Dang it.
Haha, now you can't laugh at my hiccup. Wow.
I'm sure the
I'm,
forums will laugh at your hiccups when I post this video.
what?
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 What? I was
I,
just kidding. Jeez.
I
What?
will slap you. I will slap you to the moon.
But you don't even know where I am.
I know where you are. I know where you live.
No.
I do.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Alright.
I have 64 rotten flesh now. Should I offer him some rotten flesh?
I don't think he needs it. Yeah.
Oh, I'm level 20 now. I'm coming back up.
Okay.
I'm gonna go see what you've been up to. Whoa.
I repaired the creeper damage stuff. Well, I better stop recording then.
What?
Yep.